over here is the general interior view of from the driver's seat. So first we're going to talk about over here. We got the windows controls, and we got the adjustments for both rear view mirrors. And over here, this right now is at neutral position, and you can enable rear view mirror fog removal. So, and you can flip it up, but flipping it up is automatic whenever you lock the car. All right, center controls. We got NIO Pilot over here. So if you click that to activate NIO Pilot, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Control speed, speed up, speed down, distance from the car in front, increase distance, decrease distance. Here you got some media controls. You can select the different menu you want to look at. So that's menu options. And you got music, next song, previous song, volume up, volume down, pause, play. This is to activate Know Me. So that's pretty good. You got your center console over here. You got a wireless charging pad over here. To drive, you pull back to D. To go into reverse, you push forward to reverse. So that's a general, the different things, different buttons and everything. I'm gonna go through the UI of the car in a separate video. You got really nice sun visors over here. This is automatic, so boom, super fast. That's pretty nice. Man, we got plenty of driving space. We got electronically adjusted steering wheel that you can move up, down, left, right, whatever you want to do. Over here we have adjustment to the seat. You can move it forward, back, you can tilt it forward, tilt it back. You have a lumbar support that you can push forward, push back. So the lumbar support is right here. So that's that. So pretty nice. And you can choose two different settings. Like when you're not in the car, it'll have this position where it's easier for you to get off the car. And once you get in the car and you close the door, fasten your seatbelts, it's going to put you in a higher position, and steering wheel is going to come back forward. So that's pretty nice. Now let's take a look at the back seat space. All right, so I'm going to open the door all the way, and boom, I'm going to get in. Now in terms of headroom, we got about a fist of headroom. For me, I'm about 180 centimeters tall, so you got plenty of headroom. I have the driver's seat fairly to the back, so I still got like about half a fist of legroom over here. So if I were to adjust my seat, a bit more forward, I'd have plenty of legroom. There's nothing wrong with the legroom. It's pretty comfortable. Now let me switch over to the other side, and I'll show you the center space. So if you sit in the center, it's actually really comfortable because you got plenty of headroom. You're not going to be bumping your head. If you lean back a little bit, you will bump your head over here. Over here, there's this little space over here. And one really cool thing is, wow, look at this. You have a storage compartment over here, and you got cup holders over here. These cup holders are really nice looking cup holders. So that's pretty epic as well. You got another storage compartment over here. Just open it up. 2 USB outlets. You got some more fans. That's pretty nice. So this is in general the back seat. All right. Now let's take a look at the door. The door also has, we got the speaker grill over here. We got a speaker grill up here. So there's a lot of speakers on this car because every single EC6 is pre-equipped with premium quality speakers. So it's the best of the best. You got the windows. Everything is really nice to the touch. Man, this is good. So here is where you would activate the car with an NFC card, or if you got your phone and it has NFC enabled, you can tap your phone over here to unlock the car. Boom, you got the trunk open up. It goes pretty high. And inside I got some balloons and everything. That's pretty nice. One really cool feature is how you can one sec, you can open this up. There's actually a lot of extra storage space down here, so you can put other stuff down here if you want. And you know, the storage space is pretty big. It's like, you know, one big fist. You know, you got one big fist of storage space over here, so that's pretty nice. Definitely will be getting a cover for this. You know, you gotta get one of those covers for this. Yeah, you got other stuff that you can put here. For example, little boxes, yeah, or other manuals. You got an outlet over here, some lights, some hooks, utility hooks. So that's overall pretty awesome. Activate the trunk pressing the button, or use your foot. Yeah, you use your foot and it's automatic. Now if you look underneath, there's plenty of storage space underneath the center console right here. A big amount of storage space. And here we got 2 cup holders, and of course over here, press this, we can open it up, and we have a very good and very deep storage space that you can fit a MacBook or an iPad without any problems. You can put some other documentations over here. All right, close this. If you open it from the left side, is this little divider, so you can also store some other documents if you want over here. Onto the seats. Now, these seats are the Himalayan brown haptics seats. It's a fusion of leather and fabric. And these seats look amazing. The color on these seats, yeah, it looks amazing. Now you can go for the full leather option with the seat cooling and also seat massages, but this is the base standard trim with the haptic seats, which in my opinion looks really good. Now let's take a look at what the car looks like when I fold the rear seats down. Now, so right here, yeah, you hold that and you can fold it all the way down, boom, so it actually becomes a pretty big space. You can do the same for the other side, and you know, you can comfortably sleep in this car. Now, of course, oh, it's pretty heavy. The highlight of the EC6 that no other NIOs have, big, ooh, humongous top glass. I mean, it is big. It looks really spacious. And you know, at night you can look at the stars. It's not too sunny. You won't get sunburns and that kind of stuff when there's the sun. So that looks pretty nice.